Kia ora everyone, this is Oz. I'm a waste advisor for Para Kore here in Taranaki, and today we're in the beautiful gardens at Para Kore Compost. Look at this. And we're building a compost bin here together with the whānau. We received some funding from WWF, so kia ora to them. Thanks very much for supporting this kaupapa of composting here at Para Kore Compost marae. It's our first set of bins we're building. It's really simple design, really easy, just using a bunch of pallets and some waratahs to build a good compost bin.
What we need is 10 wooden pallets, 8 of these waratah. 8 of these waratah. So there's different types of pallets that you can use, and the main ones you have in New Zealand is MB or HT, and so you'll see on the side of the pallet a little logo. So MB means methyl bromide, HT means heat treated. You want the heat treated because you don't want methyl bromide getting into your kai. For each waratah you need 2 pieces of wire that you can bend by hand. So it needs to be about a metre long. So yeah, 16 bits of wire, and yeah, putting it together like this.
Right, here we are with our finished product, our compost bins at Para Kore Compost. As you can see, we've got 3 bins, and the idea is that you bring your compostables into this first bin over here, leave it in there. It's all, you just open it up like that. It's just leaning, the front is just leaning onto it. Let it rot down over a few weeks, and when it's sort of rotted down a bit, you can just take this sidewall out. It's just loosely tied together with a wire, so untie that, lift it up, and move all your compost into the second bin where it can rot for another few weeks, and then finally take this one off. Again, it's just loosely wired on, this middle piece, and then it goes into the last bin to rot down, and after a few months you'll have perfect compost for your garden, for your mara. Just take this front bit off, and off you go with your beautiful compost. Food for your mara kai. So that's the basic idea of this pallet compost, and the back is pretty solid in terms of it's supported by waratahs and tied together as well with wire at the top and at the bottom. Everything else is pretty loose and flexible, so that you can move it around if need be, move it to another place in your garden if you want to develop this into a garden bed or whatever. So that's the idea. Or if one pallet rots away too fast, just replace it and put another one in. So that's basically the idea, using pallets here in our compost bins. And that's one set of bins done here at One Marae. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou.